I was just there. So, and I just I hung a stand still.
So that was, I want to go back to Chris's spots, not even something I said to him. So because of the wood line and I think this is something people should pay attention to, the wood line, and because of the sun, right now, the whole edge, on the back side of us, where I think the deer are staging in front of us and making their decision on what they're doing that evening, depending on the
They like
wind.
shadows. Keep that in mind.
They
Yep.
like, there you go. They like shadows.
When it's that hour before dark or whatever, or 45 minutes before dark, they like if
Then-
if sun's out here, they like the shadows.